Inside one of the control stations here at the U of C, it's the Faculty of Nursing. Dr. Goldsworthy joins me. Where are we? This is fascinating.
We are in the control room of our simulation lab, and this is where we control the simulations that we deliver for the students. So we use a computer-based program in this room, and that controls the simulators that are in the other room where the nurses come in and practice.
This is where you judge
deliver their
everyone.
care. Well, this is where we do teaching, and we help to build their confidence. That's the
like
whole
this.
goal of simulation, is it's to help not only build their skills, but to also build their confidence as they're moving
That's
along
the
in
whole
their
idea.
nursing. That's
Real
the whole
life
idea,
situations.
and helps them transition into practice.
Let's transition into the other room
Okay,
here.
sounds
This is
good.
fascinating. So we go from affectionately called the war room into what is affectionately known as the simulation area. So as we walk into this area, they can't see you judging them, so they're just doing what they're supposed to do. The students, that is.
Right, so they're behind a two-way mirror, and what we do is we can talk through the patient, so we can actually change our voice. There's voice changer technology,
So you
so
can
that
be-
we're
you can be the
allowed.
patient?
Right, so we're
Oh
the
my
patient
goodness.
on the microphone delivering the simulation and adjusting their vital signs, blood pressure, and so on. So, and then they come in to care for the patient, which is Mr. Simman here, and he becomes a different patient each time.
Why is it important to have simulation?
Simulation is critical in helping to prepare nurses because it creates a very realistic clinical environment, and it helps them to prepare for transition into practice. But the best thing about it is it's safe. It's a safe area to practice. No one's going to die. No one's going to get hurt.
Well, that's
At the end
kind of
the day,
important, yes.
That's important.
When the students are a part of this, they must come out of this thinking, I was actually in a real life situation.
They do.
There's so much realism here.
They become very engaged, and we try to make it as realistic as possible with
Yeah.
voices, with actors, with family members
Wow.
coming in, and they learn a lot. They love simulation.
And the quality of students that come out of the U of C is absolutely amazing because of this. Would you agree?
This absolutely helps to strengthen their skills as they
Oh
go
my.
into practice. It's a great teaching tool.
Well, we're going to put into practice what the simulation is all about with Dr. Goldsworthy. This is fascinating. More coming up here as we celebrate with, well, nurses. It's International Nursing Week, don't you know? More Go Calgary coming up on Shaw. Yeah, so we're going to just like compressions and